Welcome to March, everybody. Known for St. Patrick's Day, green beer, shamrock shakes, basketball, and now the LEAPrechaun sale! The entire month of March, we're running our LEAPrechaun sale. That's 10% off all remanufactured Steelcase Leap chairs. That's V1, V2, high backs, custom fabric, anything we got in stock. We're running a sale. So the code is GOGREEN. Make sure to apply that in checkout and get that 10% off. In addition to the sale, we are giving away 4 chairs over this sale. Stop. We're giving away 4 chairs over this sale. And how we're gonna be doing that is we're randomly selecting chair sales. So when you place your order, we're gonna be randomly selecting 4 people and putting some random things in their boxes. You'll know if you win, but there'll be a special note in there. Reach out to us if you're that special winner, and we're gonna be refunding your purchase price on your chair. So you'll be getting a free chair. We're gonna be doing 4 of those over the month on our Leap chairs. I think that's all we got. We're excited to be selling some Leap chairs, giving some chairs away, having some fun, and if you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Our website, crandalloffice.com, our Facebook page. We're always here to help. We're excited to be running this sale, and LEAPrechaun! LEAPrechaun on! Yeah!